Student loan payments don't work the way people think. If you've been paying, staying current, and nothing seems to change, in this video I'll explain why, and clearly based on the federal law. Most borrowers assume that if they make payments, the balances will go down, and loans will eventually end. Relief will come from paying long enough. That's how normal debt works. But student loans don't operate under those rules. So what's actually happening? Student loan payments are often applied in ways that don't meaningfully reduce the principal. They don't create a reliable endpoint, and they don't tell borrowers which legal options apply to their specific loans. As a result, people can pay for years, even decades, and still feel stuck, or worse than that, never end. So what determines the outcomes? What determines student loan outcomes is federal law. Federal law controls whether relief exists, discharge is possible, what programs apply, which strategies make sense. Services don't decide that. Payment history alone doesn't cover that, but federal law does. Most borrowers never receive a true legal review of their loans. They receive scripts, generic advice, or one-size-fits-all guidance that ignores federal law distinctions. That's why confusion persists among borrowers who are doing everything right but getting nowhere. So in a consult, I'll review your loans under federal law and give you a strategy and a plan. That means identifying which legal paths are available, which are not, how the law applies to your specific situation and circumstances. Every consult ends with a roadmap, no guesses, no generic advice. I'm Anthony J. Perano. I'm a federal court attorney with 35 years experience. If you want honest, accurate, and truthful advice based strictly on the law, stay with me. You can find more information at peranololaw.com or use the links below in the video. If you need me, I'll be here to help you. I hope to see you soon.